I am setting off from work. I'm going for a one night stay camping near Whitby. It's just a quick decision type thing. Only thought of it yesterday or the day before, I can't remember. But yeah, I'm going to have a one nighter and see how that goes. Right, I've done a few miles. What I'm doing today is I'm going to Ugthorpe. I think we call it Ugthorpe. If I've got it wrong, I'll put it here. If I haven't got it wrong, there'll be nothing there. Yeah, just one night camping. Just trying out some other gear that I've just got for my birthday. It's not far from Whitby, so what I need to do is I'm going to set up camp. Well, not me being camp, I'm going to set the camp up. God, picky. Once I've set the camp up, then I'm going to get back on bike and get to either the local village or Whitby. Are you recording? Can't tell. Yeah, you are recording. Yeah, might pop into Whitby, get some food, some supplies to cook to Mike's tea. Don't know what I'm having yet, but it'll be something edible, or just about edible. Or just about edible, as I say, because I'll be cooking it. And this time I've got the right blooming canister. I just forgot my plates, but I'm not going back for them. I'll get a couple of plates. So what I'll do is I'll bring you back when it's a bit more scenic, just for a quick glance of around the area, and then when I come back in after that, I'll probably be arriving at the campsite. Woodhill, is it Woodhill? Yeah, Woodhill Campsite in Ugthorpe. Over there, you can see it. RAF Filingdale, I think it says. That's when I used to be in the SAS. I used to go out on secret missions to kill little weasels and ferrets. I could never do it, so that's why I had to come out. Ferrets had done nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. The weasels, well, they don't have that name for now. Still can do it. Anyway, just look at the scenery. Can't talk about stuff like that. The Borough of Scarborough. Around the bend. There you go. Now then. Coming up to the turn off soon for the campsite. Ayo. I don't like the way some of them cows are laid down. It's supposed to be real nice weather this weekend, so fingers crossed. Going down here. Oh, there's sound for it. Get in gear properly. Yeah, what's up with me? So it's on the right hand side. Yeah, it is Ugthorpe. It says Ugthorpe. Sheepy, sheep, sheep. Yeah, we haven't got all day. Come on. We ain't got all day. Come on, clowns. Or should I say clown? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you going? You going? You staying? Good. Good lad. Not Woodhill camping, so Woodhill camping that way. Oh, guess that's it. I wonder if that's it then. Woodhill camping entrance. Is that the entrance? So where do you get for the reception then? Is the reception? Dunno. Right, I've set up tent. You probably saw the photo before this. I was going to do like a setting up style video, but it was getting on a bit, so as you can see I'm just off into Whitby to pick up some bits. Look at that site over there. In a minute you'll see the Abbey in a minute. Ooh, boat. There it is, right over there in the distance. Beautiful place, Whitby. The site that I'm on, it's a nice site, nice lady, suitable for motorbikes. It's very soft ground, very soft, and the turn into it, it's a bit of a faff. You've got to open the gates and shut gates and uneven ground and etc. If I was in car, not an issue, but bike-wise, maybe not. Is it no vehicles on the swing bridge? He's having a laugh. Oh no, we're alright, we're alright. We're alright. Well, I can smell fish and chips. And guess what's for tea tonight? Not fish and chips. Middle Earth. There's a parrot there. Yep. It looks like the swing bridge just swung. Hello. Right. It's getting on a bit. Because I've forgot my plastic plates. And the gutting thing of all, I ordered online to pick up in store a camping table reduced from Go Outdoors. Turns out to be a stool, so that'll have to go back. Not happy. It's looking looking forward to having a bit of table action. Anyway, I'm going to start cooking, so bear with me. Yeah, this was the easiest way to get it. Look at that. Oh, beef rump. Oh God. Yep, a bit much. Ooh. There we go. That'll do for me tea. Well, let's have a look at this. Straight through. Look at that. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Oh, that's it. Look at that. Just finished my tea. That was delicious. Just doing myself. Where is it? Just gonna do myself a nice coffee. I've got some beers for tonight. I did want some real ales, but they didn't have any in the fridge, and it was really warm, so I didn't bother. Could have stayed in my hair. It's weird. Worse now, isn't it? Yeah. Look. Yep. What else can I say? So, right, I'm ready for a nice beer. I thought I'd got San Miguel. Two little kids just passed. One of them said to the other one, "Is that Santa?" And the other one said, "Yes." Said, "But he's on his motorbike." Said, "Yeah, he's having a break before all the busy time at Christmas." So I replied with a "ho, ho, ho." You got to, want you? Right, I'm gonna go again. Sum up. It's getting a bit nippy out there, so I moved the party indoors. This is my tent, this is my setup. So let's see if you can see up. It's a bit messy. It's the teepee tent. So let's see if you can see right up there. Plenty wrong. Got a nice bed. Nice baby crying in the background. What can you do? I'm gonna have a couple of beers and I'm gonna watch something, I think, and just chill out. So I might see you later. If not, I might see you in the morning. Right then, guys. Why do I keep saying guys? I hate it. That was my camp. I'll tell you something, packing down took it out of me. I think now I'm just going to nip into Whitby for a bit for air. Oh, stop saying air, stop saying guys. For some breakfast, a little look around, then off home. So you might get some sort of photos of Whitby if I can be bothered. So I'll see you in a bit. Go